Hi everyone, my name is Taiwo. Welcome to Data Server. Our topic today is to show you a tutorial how to export over 100,000 of records using VBA from Access 2016, 2024 and Office 365 to Excel. Also, you can use this particular code to export from 2010 Access. I'm going to show you the topic to cover based on this tutorial. So we have to use the menu option, export option to export Excel from Access to Excel. Also to create a blank form, add export button, add VBA export code, test run VBA export code. So I'm going to launch my Access Microsoft application. So as you can see, it's already open. So let me show you the data we have on this particular application. We have over 500,000, which is more than half a million record. It's loading. So we have precise 518,452 record. So I'm going to close this table. Then I'll use the method of menu option export. To do that, I'm going to click on external data. Then I will click on the icon of Excel. Then as you can see, export spreadsheet. So the first thing to do is to change my file name. I automatically give my table name as PC data. So just to differentiate it on my C delete folder, I'm going to name it with additional name as menu export. I'm going to click save. And the next thing is to enable export data with formatting and layout and click open immediately. The export completed. I'm going to click OK. So you can see the essence of why we are doing this tutorial is because of this particular alert message. You selected more record than can be copied onto the clipboard at one time. So the essence of this alert message saying that the maximum number of records you can paste at one time is approximately 65,000 records. So I'm going to click OK to see the outcome of what is going to total record of what we're going to have in that export. Basically, it's going to be 65,000. So let's just go ahead and see. Okay, it's loading. As you can see, it's completed loading. I'm going to go to the end of the Excel file to see how many records we have. So it's loading, and we are now at the end of the record. As you can see, we have total number of 65,534. That is the maximum method you can get for record using that option. So I'm going to close it. So straight away go to the next stage of what we need to do. So basically, we have to use the VBA method. Let me take you through our menu again. We have already created the menu export option. We've done that. Create a blank form. Blank form is already created. Add export button code and VBA code. So this is the next stage. What we need to do, we're going to add button. So the add button, we click our design view. We click on form design. We click our button. Then we put our button here. It's going to automatically load the wizard. We don't want the wizard. We cancel. We give our button a name, a meaningful names for the user to be able to understand what is the purpose of this button. So I'm going to call it export over 65 record to Excel. That's the name I'm going to give this button, and I'm just going to format it to be bold, and that's it. And the next thing to do is to give it the backend name, which is going to be the command name, which I'm going to use at the backend. Go to click order from the property and change the name to command export to Excel. And the next thing is to go to the Visual Basic Editor, click event procedure, and click the three ellipses. As you can see, the Visual Basic Editor is open. So the code is already typed just to save time. I'm going to copy my code and put here into the Visual Basic Editor. So the most important aspect of this particular tutorial is the do command spreadsheet option, which is this particular one. And the essence of this code is to transform is a transfer method is used in Access VBA to import or export data in Access database. And the importance of this, in the previous version, we have AC spreadsheet type Excel 3 to 10, which if you use it, it's going to transfer less than 65,000 records. So I'm showing you this method, combination with all this additional code. The PC data is the table in my Access database. The C delete is my file location, and the PC data new is my new Excel file that will contain the entire 650 something thousand 18,000 plus record. So I'm going to save and close. So that we use the code to do that. Now the next thing to do is to click from view, click save, and I'm going to click my export over 65,000 to Excel button. It's loading, so the export is in progress. Mind you, I'm using this, doing this particular task on the laptop with 2 gigabytes Intel 7 8 megabyte RAM. The RAM is very crucial, and this computer is old computer is 2016. And if you are doing the same thing with laptop of 2025, we are now in 2025 March, and you'll be looking at about 16 gigabyte of RAM or above, or 32. So you are looking at about less than 30 seconds to complete this task. And instead of you doing this copy and paste that for half a million record, that will take you about an hour to complete this task. So this is the best method to use, especially for those of you doing data analysis that you have a lot of Microsoft Access table in your application. So, and also watch out for the part 2. I'm going to roll out the part 2 that will enable you to have a list box. I'll show you how to have a lot of table in the list box, and you can click on the list box and export the desired table you want by clicking a button. So to make life this easier for you, and that will increase your productivity in your daily routine of your computer task. So you can unleash your potential by coming to our channel to learn a lot of how to become professional IT experts. So we can train you how to use Power BI, SQL, Microsoft Access, and also web development. So the sky is the limit. Get in touch with us and visit our channel on a regular basis. It's about to open, so we're going to see the time duration. It's opening, it's loading. Hopefully, definitely it's going to less than 2 minutes. So it's about 2 minutes 5 seconds. It's not too bad. I'm going to click OK. Then the next thing to do is to go to my C drive and load the data if to see if we have the entire 518,000 plus record or not. And the good thing about this is good that maintain the formatting from the Microsoft Access. I'm going to show you in a minute. It's loading. Now, this is our record. Top. See, just run to see if the date format maintained as expected. I'm going to change this date format to with not name. That's it. So let's see the end of the record, how many records we have. This is what we want. 518,452 records. This is exactly what we want. So the sky is limit. Come to our channel, learn how to make use of this particular application. Save your Microsoft Access and close. And you can do the same thing. Visit our channel and learn how to do all these little tasks that make life easier for you. And you can also get in touch with us. Email us at dataserver2024@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed. See you some other time. Watch out for part 2. It's very interesting. In less than 48 hours, I'm going to roll out the part 2. Thank you. Bye.